Alright, let's try that again. Conroy Catsup. Okay.
Okay, hon. Alright, then I'll see you around 10. Alright, bye-bye. Listen, Carrie's not gonna make it home for dinner, so I'm gonna order her some pizza.
From where?
From Sal's.
Sal's? Have you lost your mind?
Okay, not Sal's. Then from where?
A little neighborhood joint called Domino's.
Domino's?
Yeah, that's it.
All right, what's the number?
It's 1718-1168-011.
Okay.
Look, I have way too many numbers, okay?
I gave you the area code.
We're in the area code. I don't need to dial it.
Okay, ready?
I'm ready.
1168.
Okay, you know what? How about a little phone number rhythm, huh? You know, a little bum bum ba bum ba bum ba.
Talking about Conroy.
Got it?
I got it.
Okay.
1.
Yeah. 6. Yep. Teen. I already dialed the 6. I can't go back in time and slip a 1 in. Well, who's
Alright, Conroy.
I'll make it a sandwich. Why don't you order from McDonald's?
Oh, okay. Alright, now Catsup. I already read that. Pizza, okay. With mushrooms, okay. From the
Douglas,
Marios.
would you please pass the catsup?
The what?
The catsup.
You mean the ketchup?
Educated people pronounce it catsup.
Not if they want me to pass it to them.
Fine, if that's the way you're going to be, then I'll do without.
Not gonna happen, old man.
My burger's getting cold. Just give me the ketchup.
Oh, okay.
It's called ketchup. Say it right and you can have it.
No.
Say it. Say it.
No, I will never say it. I'd rather die than say it.
Then she's staying over here. Me amo ketchup.
Then just say goodbye to these.
Why you gotta do that? All right, you want the catsup? You can have the catsup here. God.
Thank you. That's enough.
Ooh,
But that's
okay.
enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough.
Oh, is that enough?
Yes, that's enough. That's enough.
Then say it.
Say what? Say it.
You're making a mess, Conroy. You're making a mess.
Ketchup.
You're making a mess, Conroy. Anyway. Alright. Have a good day and subscribe, cause I'm about to finish one of my drawings.
Okay, we get it.
Okay,